The bad news about XRP just came from Larry Fink. It is very important for people who are interested in XRP or who already have XRP tokens to keep up with the latest news, find out about the latest XRP news and how it might affect the value of the coin. I'll answer these questions and give you important information that could have a positive effect on XRP prices in today's video. I did a lot of research for this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through to get the most out of it. To CoinGraph Market, welcome. This is where you can find the latest news in the crypto world every day. Make sure you subscribe to get the latest news and predictions about XRP and stay ahead in the crypto world. Don't forget to click like and post notifications to get more crypto news. Before we get into our first topic, let's look at the chart and see how XRP did on January 20th, shall we? Right. Want to win 50 XRP every day? All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hash XRPKing. Good luck. The price of SRP right now is 54 cents, and $1, 2 cents million dollar worth of it changes hands every 24 hours. The price of XRP has gone up 1.2 in the last 24 hours, but down 4 point over the last week. There are 100 billion XR points in circulation, with 48 billion already in circulation. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this video, or this is not financial advice, and putting money into the crypto market is risky. So please do your own research before putting money into it. Bitstamp, eToro, and get you part 3 of the busiest exchange sites for buying and selling XRP. Let's not waste any more time and watch the video now. Ripple fights back against SE Discovery Motion while XR prints red. The cryptocurrency market is still facing a tough court case between the US Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs. The summary judgment in the SRP case was mostly good for both sides in its most recent move. Ripple, however, sent a detailed response opposing the SEC's recent motion to force post-complaint discovery. Ripple is against TC's motion. According to the most recent filings, Ripple's answer to Judge Nedburn disagrees with the SEC's motion. Which sought to this include showing all contracts made after the complaint was filed that involved selling or transferring XRP to people who are not employees, and answering a question about how much XRP institutional sales proceeds were received after the complaint was filed for some contracts. The main reasons were given for opposing the 6 requests. Ripple in the filings. Ripple first says that the requests are made too late, saying that the SEC had plenty of chances during the open fact discovery period to get the information they want and has no good reason to do so now. Ripple's lawyers brought up past cases involving discovery after a complaint. They tried to make it seem like the SEC had already said that behavior after a complaint was bad. What's wrong? The second reason Ripple gives is that it says the SEC has not been able to show that any of its requests are valid. The commission thinks that the information being asked for has nothing to do with the court's decision about the remedy. People had been worried about the SEC's plan to ask for a summary decision. The decision is based on whether Ripple sales after the complaint are contracts. Ripple warns against a procedure like this. To avoid delays and extra work, it is important to have a full proceeding on the merits. Ripple also says that the SEC's request for post-complaint discovery should be turned down because fact discovery is already very far along. At the end of the response, it is said that the CC's motion could mean that Ripple doesn't have any procedural protections which could lead to a second full-blown lawsuit. It is important to remember that Ripple's own cryptocurrency. The ongoing legal battle has done a lot of damage to XRP. The price of XRP has dropped more than twice so far this year. As of now, XRP has not printed a green index in a while, so it is still losing value. If you're still watching, please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Let's not wait any longer. Now watch the rest of the video. No, XPFTF is not going to happen. Blackrock says that it will not launch a spot XRP exchange traded fund get fund. BlackRock is the biggest asset manager in the world, the largest asset manager in the world. BlackRock is said to have confirmed that it has no plans to start an exchange traded fund trade for spot XRP. Some people who know a lot about money, like famous financial reporter Charles Gasparino, told people about this story through uncertainty in regulations. Gasparino went on to say that the fact that regulations around XRP are unclear is a big reason for BlackRock's decision. The unclear outcome of the ongoing release. Said case was cited by Fox Business as a reason why big money managers like BlackRock are not investing in XRP as an ETF. And Gasparino says that Judge Torres' decision puts XRP in a regulatory gray area. It's neither fully security nor fully not in this category. The reporter says that because this is so complicated, it is risky for well known financial companies to look into XRP based ETF TFG. There had been talk about an XRP ETF before BlackRock made its decision. The people who are interested in cryptocurrencies talked a lot about the idea of an XRP. Some people think this because of something BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said in an interview with Fox Business. Fink's vague answer that I can't talk about that when asked about an XRP has sparked discussions and hopes among investors and analysts. This interest was boosted even more when the SEC approved the Bitcoin spot ETF. This made many people in the market optimistic about the possibility of similar products being made for other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and XRP. In an interview with Bloomberg, Steve McClure, co-founder of Valkyrie Fund, said something like this. The first releases of cryptocurrencies like XRP have always been a big deal for crypto investors, as you can see in today's news. Most of the time, the arguments start because investors think Genesis was hacked and that some people got an unfair share of the token supply. It's the XRP token that's been looked at the most recently, where people from the community asked about some things that happened at Genesis. So, David Schwartz, the chief technology officer of Ripple, has decided to clear these things up on his own. Where did the Genesis block go? People in the Bitcoin community first spoke out against David Schwartz in a tweet earlier this week, in which he made fun of the opinion of a Bitcoin maxi that he claimed to have talked to. In this conversation, the Bitcoin king seemed to say that XRP was what Schwartz made fun of the opinion and said it wasn't worth hunting. This quickly turned into a debate about the XRP was real. In response to SEC Watts' post, an ex-MetaMask user asked the Ripple Keto if there was another blockchain that had lost its whole Genesis block. The XRP ledger doesn't begin at hash 1 like a blockchain would, but at hash 32,569 for those who don't know.